Hi there. Today we're gonna talk about how to make an animated meme in Flexclip. Firstly, hit the Start from Scratch button to enter Flexclip's video editor. Then click More option on the left panel to customize the size of the canvas. In most cases, the 4:5 aspect ratio works best for making a meme on social media. Clicking it, the canvas will automatically crop. Next, press local files to upload image from your local computer, then add it to the storyboard. You may also use the stock photos in Flexclip's music library, where you can have tons of high definition and royalty-free video footage and photos. Simply by pressing stock media and hover to the photo option, you can enter a keyword in the search file like funny and find the photo you want. Now let's use zoom feature on the toolbar to resize the image, so you can leave blank space for the text. You may also adjust the background color as well. Next, choose the text style and enter your text, and customize the fonts and the size of the font, and freely choose the color you like. Now let's make a copy of the text and place it at the bottom, and again enter your text, then add animated elements to highlight the same. Then turn the video to 1 second. Now preview the meme. Once you are satisfied with the overall effect, press export to convert it to a GIF. You can customize the resolution and frames per second for your animated meme. Finally, export it to your local computer in a flash. Here, we also have 3 bonus tips for you while making a meme. Tip number 1, make sure your meme is relatable. A good meme is one that a lot of people can relate to and feel like they're sharing a moment, either an embarrassing one or a funny one. Tip number 2, give your meme a surprise or a sharp contrast. If a meme has a twist ending or words on the meme to somewhere you didn't expect, it will be funnier. Tip number 3, be curious to our world. Well, Walt Disney once said, when you're curious, you find lots of interesting things to do. So just be curious and keep a keen eye on our daily life. For the latest trends on social media like Instagram, Twitter, Reddit, you'll find unlimited topics for making hilarious memes. That's it. Hope you enjoyed our tutorial. Now it's your turn to make a meme with Flexclip.